Want free checks and free domestic wires at TD Bank? Follow this simple, legitimate process. The problem: many customers get charged because they don't meet published account requirements. The plan: pick the right TD account, qualify for fee waivers, and confirm the waiver in writing. Step 1. Review TD Bank's fee schedule online or ask a banker which accounts waive check and domestic wire fees. Step 2. Identify qualifying actions. Maintain a required balance. Enroll recurring direct deposit or bundle eligible accounts. Step 3. Enroll online or ask the banker to switch or upgrade your account to meet the waiver criteria. Step 4. Ask the banker to apply fee waivers and get a confirmation number or an emailed note of terms. Step 5. Order a box of checks or initiate a domestic wire to verify the fee is waived and capture the transaction details. If a fee still posts, Step 6. File a fee dispute with the branch or TD customer service and reference your confirmation. Pro tip: keep screenshots of terms, emails, and confirmation numbers to make disputes faster and more effective. This is a legitimate approach based on published bank policies. Use the bank's terms, not tricks or false claims. Ready to save? Check your TD account, call a banker, confirm the waiver, and enjoy free checks and wires when eligible.